Hi, this is Malcolm Tibbetts, and I'm here at the Marc Adams School doing a class in segmented wood turning. This is about the 14th year I've been here, and every year has been a great experience. This class is a little different than most classes at Marc Adams. Every student is doing something different of their own design. I don't hand out a blueprint and have everybody do the same project. So we've got people doing checkered hollow forms, we've got people doing compound mitered stave construction that gets converted into ribbons. We have people doing more conventional stacked ring constructed vessels and bowls. A little bit of everything, because the students have a wide variety of experience. Some are never evers and other people have been doing it for 10 or more years. Somebody considering taking a class anywhere, this should be their first choice. I've taught at a lot of different schools. This is by far the very best place to come and take any kind of class, especially in woodworking. Thanks for taking the time to listen to me spout off the benefits of segmented wood turning. It's a wonderful woodworking activity, and if you're interested, come to Marc Adams and take a class.